Howdy. This afternoon we're heading out to Coomera fishing, like the back end of the canals, trying to do some top water fishing. Got a couple new MMD splash prawns, so I'm eager to give them a go. Hoping for some jacks, some trevellies, just a quick session after work, but yeah, let's see how we go.
Alrighty, I've just had a quick look because I've never been here before. I think I've found a way down, and it looks like this is the beaten path that people take, but it looks like it's going to be a fun little walk. Hopefully no snakes. Let's go and find out. Alright, this isn't as bad as I thought. I could start with a little flick right there. Maybe I can come back to that. Let's just focus on getting through here for now. Sheesh. Must have been a very high tide. Alright. Let's try this thing out. It might be a bit too big for my 1 to 3 kilo rod. We'll find out, I guess. Surely there's something just in this little pocket right here. Some scent on it. That might entice them. Where are you? Who wants to get out? Trusty S Factor. Alright, I'm going to keep working my way around. Whew. I do not like this one bit. Too snaky. I'm not crossing back through here. Oh, I forgot my head torch. No. Alright, well, made it through. Oh, nearly tripped on my way out. These rocks are slippy. Very slippy. Get up there. Have a couple flicks here. See if it brings us any luck. want something to come up and absolutely smack it. That will make my day. That will make my week. In fact, I think it will even make my month. That's how little fish I've caught recently. Hey Siri.
Huh?
What time is sunset in Coomera today? 6:46. Oh, that's in 10 minutes. Come on, where are the bloody fish at? What a shocking cast. Holy crap. Oh, I got one. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, is that a barra? I caught a barra. No way. No way. Oh my gosh. You are joking. You are kidding. Oh, that was like my last cast of the day. Oh my gosh. No way. What's he going? He's going about, just I'd say over 40. Over 40 centimeters on this barra. Gold Coast Barra, baby. Let's go. These things have the craziest kick on them. I'm just gonna send him on his way. Thank you, mate. Legend. Woo! Off he goes. Oh my god. That is crazy. The longest session, nothing, not even a sniff on my lure. And that was gonna be like my last cast. And you will hear in the reaction, I wasn't even looking, I was just like ready to reel it in and walk off. It smacks my lure literally right here, right at the edge, and then jumps out the water. I'm like, what is that? The last thing on my list was a bloody barramundi. Woo! That is a bucket list fish right there. And with that, I am going home. I'm not going another lure. I am leaving. I've had too many donut days recently to finish on a barramundi. It's all I could ever ask for. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!